welcome back to another video on my channel. How are we doing today? I hope we're having a fantastic day as always. Today I'm going to be showing you the unboxing for the Elgato Stream Deck XL. So, let's go! Here is the packaging. On the face we have a picture of the product and the Elgato logo. This is the Mark 1, as I know that a Mark 2 has come out recently. I am planning on using this to edit, but its primary use will be for my streams. It will save me time, which is invaluable to me. The back details the following: advanced customization on your terms, with the picture on the right demonstrating this. Superior studio power, adjusts to your workspace, has a non-slip magnetic stand and a detachable cable, compatible with apps such as Discord, YouTube, Twitter, OBS, Streamlabs OBS and XSplit, and is also compatible with Apple, Mac and Windows. The right-hand side of the box gives a further description of the product. It has 32 customizable LCD keys for supreme content control, allows you to trigger single or multiple actions with a tap, nest folders within a key to access unlimited actions, instantly control your favourite tools and platforms, and focus on what matters most, your audience. Also, what is in the box? The Stream Deck XL, a USB-C to USB-A cable, a magnetic stand, and a quick start guide. Now let's open it up. The lid slides off really easily, which is nice. Also, the packaging is very good quality, which is amazing. To start, we have the quick start guide, the Stream Deck XL, now the USB-C to USB-A cable, which was from a small compartment in the box, which I really like. And finally, we have the small Elgato Important Safety Instructions booklet that was in the same compartment as the cable. Here we have the USB-C to USB-A cable. The lead itself has a material around it, which I think is awesome as it protects the lead. It seems to be a good length at approximately 1.5 meters. Here is a close-up of the cable ends. You can tell that this is a 3.0 USB-C end by it being coloured blue. And here we have the main event, the Stream Deck XL by Elgato. Let's open it up. I like this packaging because even though it is light and thin, it is substantial. Here is the back with the Elgato logo. The very back where the USB-C to USB-A cable plugs in, and the non-slip magnetic stand. Let's hopefully satisfyingly remove the plastic. The sides are left open to allow air and heat to disperse easily. And finally, we have the front with the 32 LCD keys, the Elgato logo, and the name Stream Deck at the top. And that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description, as I love them all and wouldn't put them there if I didn't. Let me know in the comments of anything else you'd like to see me do on this channel, anything else you'd like to see me review on this channel. And finally, don't forget to like, leave a nice comment and subscribe if you want to see more. And I will see you next time. Bye!